In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually complain to the TikTok and get your videos back on the platform if your videos were taken down for a variety of reasons, such as copyright strikes or simply someone reported your content. Let's launch the TikTok app first, and I'm going to show you how you can get your videos back. Click on the lower right corner over here, and then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the upper right. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. When you're over here, you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and you want to click submit report. When you're over here, I don't want you to lose your time. Don't look at these popular topics. None of this matter, none of this will help you simply because this is irrelevant. You want to go to the bottom of the page and click submit report. This is the message that I prepare for you, and you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. This is everything that you need to be able to restore your content. The first thing that you want to mention, we presume that your content was taken down for copyright or someone reported your content or account. First thing, you want to be very polite. You want to, welcome them, greet them. Hi there, how are you? I have a problem, because think about people who are reviewing the issues and the reports are not aware of your content, are not aware of your situation. So act like these people don't know nothing about you or your situation. So tell them, I have a problem, my videos or my account has been taken down for copyright issues, or someone reported my content and it was simply removed from the platform. If the case is for report, everything that you have to do is to go out and find other people's accounts that are publishing the same or similar type of content. You want to screenshot their content, their accounts, and you want to upload the pictures over here. You want to show the TikTok report center that there are people out there who are publishing similar, if not the same content, but their videos are still up and running and they're getting paid for them while your content has been taken down. The second option is if you have your content taken down for copyright strikes. If you have your content taken down for copyright, this is what you're going to include in your message. Section 108 of the Copyright Act provides the stationary framework for determining whether something is fair use and identifies certain types of uses, such as criticism, comments, news, reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. So if your video was one of these, if you did use someone else's content, but then you make a comments, or you make a criticism, or you make like investigation or research, or fact check, you want to make sure you include your content, your piece of the original content, and you want to make sure you include other people's content that did the same. There are plenty of people who are taking news channel, hit piece, news channel, comments, and they add their own comments on the news comments. So you can do that, and this is how you can go around and show them that you're able to use it as a fair use, and you have to have your account and content restored. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.